불닭 컴페티션. It's done. Ooh, I wanna know how spicy it is.
Good to start.
Okay,
so
James,
what do we win?
I'm shaking.
What do we win if we eat it all?
Was it that hot?
Oh yeah.
I don't know. I
One
haven't
time is hot.
tried.
It's 2 times is hot, man.
I
That's
never
why
ever
it's called
tried.
2 times. Come on, noodle. Hang on, I'm not ready yet. Is that about the same? No, I'm.
Oh, okay. Are you sure?
I don't think it's not that spicy.
I think it's pretty close. I think you're okay.
There.
Good boy. Is there some technique when you want to hold hands? When we got
There's
this.
no technique.
Right.
The one time was spicy, but like I don't know.
I don't
You want to
know.
go at the same time?
Yeah.
You said it's not that spicy, that
Just
one.
try not to get it on your lips.
Really?
Yeah, when I watch YouTube, the guy's like, "Don't get it on your lips."
Is it that? Oh my god. Okay.
James can eat spicy or not? No?
I haven't eaten spicy in a while. Here we go.
Just half, it's fine. Not gonna kill you. It's fine, right?
All right. Not so bad.
Oh, not crying yet.
Not that bad.
It's not too bad. Even just kids eating this.
Well, breathing out.
When you breathe in.
Yeah, the break in between.
Don't act. That's real, right? You really good at eating
No,
the
but it's like
spicy.
it's kind of like a Thai chili when you breathe. When you breathe, and you feel like hiccuping. I don't want to hiccup.
Oh, I got all the sauce here.
That's cheating, right?
I
Yeah.
got more. Same.
Okay.
Or the sauce in here.
This is gonna burn. Oh,
Could use some chili peppers. It could use a little bit of pepper.
having a hard time getting the last of
Well,
it.
what about the taste? Tastes good?
It's good, yeah.
My chopstick skills are a little,
Let me
little
finish it.
lacking. No.
I can give him spoon.
Not bad.
Not bad.
The first 2 bites, it hits, and then it kind of settles in.
You have sweat on your nose.
Yeah. For later. It's hot. It throws some heat. But I would say not a ghost pepper level. Oh.
Good job.
Yeah.
I got like the bowl.
Yeah, right.
It's not too bad, James.
No, not so bad.
That's good. Fire.
When
Next
it first,
level.
it's going in, it hurts.
I'm not drinking water. Like water's gonna make it 2 times.
You sure?
Yeah.
And drinking milk? Okay. What?
You wanna get it?
Next level. Next time.
Blow my nose.
Loser. 약간 따끈한 물을 뿌리면 급속도로 온다고 해서 실험 준비 1. 새로운 스타일로 곧 인사드릴게요. 이렇게 사실 세수를 안 해가지고 얼굴을 못 보여줘요. 아, 흰머리 새치도 염색이 있네. 아, 이렇게 새치는 금방 자라는죠. 캐나다는 헤어스타일 보여드리려고 지금 열정 유튜버 혼신을 다해서 어떻게? 정말 재밌나봐요. 이게 되네? 이게 된다고? 아 웃겨. 오. 아 너무 웃기다 이거. 어머. 진짜 내 머리 이렇게 됐어요 여러분. 아 죄송합니다. 눈은 가려야겠다. 와 진짜 웃긴다. 마이너스